Unlock the power of instant communication and supercharge your lead outreach by integrating Batchleads with Twilio for SMS marketing. This tutorial will guide you through a seamless setup process, enabling you to launch targeted SMS campaigns directly from Batchleads. First, log into your Batchleads account and navigate to Account Settings. Look for the Integrations section and select Twilio. If you don't have a Twilio account yet, you'll need to create one. This is a quick and straightforward process that will give you access to their powerful messaging capabilities. Once your Twilio account is set up, you'll find your account SID and auth token. These are your unique credentials. Now, back in Batchleads, you'll see fields for your Twilio account SID and auth token. Carefully copy and paste these from your Twilio account into the corresponding fields in Batchleads. After entering your credentials, click Connect or Save to establish the link between your Batchleads and Twilio accounts. With the integration complete, you're ready to create your first SMS campaign. Batchleads provides an intuitive interface to craft your messages, select your target audience, and schedule your sends. This means you can now send timely and targeted messages to your leads and prospects directly from Batchleads, boosting engagement and driving conversions effectively. Connect and communicate like never before. Start leveraging the power of SMS with Batchleads and Twilio today.